How to turn on page you manage new shares on page post notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and you just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, just go down, click settings and the notifications, and now go down until you find the pages you manage and select your page here, and go down until you find page interactions, and go down here you will find the new shares on page posts. Just click on it if you want to turn it on, and as you see, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.